Well, good morning YouTube channel, it's Belmont here. And yes, we have another little something that Belmont bought. Yeah, what'd you buy, Belmont? And why should we listen? Well, I don't know, subscribers and viewers and haters, why should you listen? But anyway, this is a HUK Lockpick Automotive Jigglers set that came straight from Amazon for $24.95. And I consider this a 22-piece set because you have 11 on here, which includes a probe, is the first one. And you have the diamond pattern jigglers. And you have 10 picks, or should I say automotive wafer jiggler picks on here. I have some lovely profiles. I would not say these are uncommon, but I do know that they have been used before to open up the 10 wafer on the Sparrows gridlock. And if you search the Sparrows gridlock, you will find a video of it. And you will see the HUK jigglers in use to open the 10. Which only one person I have actually seen on YouTube has done that. And it has not been any one of the luck sport community or of the major and minor players of it. Person who did it is very small time, and I applauded his effort in being able to do it. So there will be more to come. Our next video will have a very interesting thin broken key extractor 22-piece set, also from Amazon, which I believe has been reviewed at least partially by, well, my least favorite of the luck sport community. But that's a different story. I am also, well, I wouldn't exactly say patiently awaiting my package from Sparrows, since they have seen it in their heart to stall, delay, and generally bullshit, which does not make for a satisfied customer. But, gee, Belmont, how much did you actually buy and pay for them? Well, I guess you'll just have to wait and see when I do the reviews. We also have a very big telephone book size manual coming up in future videos too. That is made by Excess Tools for you car opening aficionados. So, when I finally get a couple of car locks, or a trio of them, I am going to put these jigglers to work along with my standard 10 Automotive Jigglers. So, we'll see what they can do. So in the meantime, subscribers, viewers, and haters, this is Belmont saying, stick around.